This is Chainsingh and today we are going to learn modal verbs. In this video, we are going to learn how to use modal verbs correctly. In the previous video, we have seen the rules and learned that how to use and when to use the modal verbs. Now we will see how modal verbs are used and what they express. So let's start. First, use of can. First, to show ability. Example, I can speak English. Second, to ask or give permission. Example, can I go to the market? You can go now. Third, to express request. Example, can you wait a moment please? Fourth, to express possibility. Example, riding bikes without helmet can be dangerous. Now we will see the use of could. First, to express ability in the past. Example, I could swim across the river when I was young. Second, to express permission. He said I could go. Third, to express polite request. At present, could you tell me the route to Jabalpur please? Here you have to remember that could is more polite than can. Fourth, to express possibility. It could be my bike. For asking permission or for polite request, could is used mostly. Now we'll go to the use of will. First, to express wish, request, demand, order. It is less polite than would. Example, will you please shut the door? Second, to express prediction or assumption. Example, I think it will rain on Friday. Third, to express promise. Example, I will stop telling lies. Fourth, to express spontaneous decision. Example, I asked can somebody drive me to the station? He said I will. Fifth, to express habits. Example, he will always be late. Now we will see the use of would. Would is more polite and more formally used than will to ask permission or etc. Now use of would. First, to express wish, request. It is more polite than will. Example, would you shut the door please? Second, to express habits in the past. Example, sometimes he would bring me some flowers. Third, to express a request or offer. Example, would you like to have a cup of coffee? Fourth, to express condition or in if sentences, conditional sentences. Example, if you take balanced diet, you would recover soon. Now we will see the use of shall. Example, with example we will see. Now first, to express command. Example, you shall go at once. Second, to express promise. Example, you shall get your salary. Third, to express determination. Example, we shall protect our country. Now we will see the use of should. First, to express advice. Example, you should drive carefully. Second, to express moral obligation or duty. Example, you should keep your promise. Third, to express requirement or necessity. Example, there should be a guard to protect our school. Fourth, to express possibility. Example, the book should be on the table. Now we will go to the use of may. First, to express possibility. Example, it may rain today. Second, to give or ask permission. Example, may I take your pen? Another example, you may go now. Third, to express wish or prayer. Example, may God bless you. Rule number 4, to express a purpose. Example, we eat that we may live. May is mostly used or often used to ask permission or to express wish. Now we will go to the use of might. First, to express remote possibility. Example, it might rain today. Second, hesitant offer or request. Example, might I help you? Third, to express suggestion. Example, you might have taken a taxi. Rule number 4, to express a purpose of the past. Example, he ran so fast that he might catch the train. Now we will go to the use of must. Rule number 1, to express necessity. Example, I must go to market today. Second, to express possibility or probability. Example, you must be tired. Rule number 3, to express advice or recommendation. Example, you must read the Panchtantra stories. Rule number 4, to express obligation or duty. I must do my duty. Rule number 5, to express strong belief. Example, she must be over 40 years old. Now these were the 9 modal verbs. Learn them properly and excel your English. Thank you. Have a nice day.